In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Excel sheet on Google Drive. This is a simple yet powerful skill that makes collaboration much easier, whether you're working with teammates, classmates, or clients. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to share your Excel files quickly and confidently using Google Drive. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the Excel file you want to share. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar if you have many files stored. Finding the correct file is important, especially if you have multiple documents with similar names. After locating your file, click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. Be sure you've chosen the right file before moving forward, as this will be the document you're about to share. With the file selected, look toward the top portion of the Google Drive interface. You'll see a series of icons appear. Find the Share option, which is usually represented by a small person icon with a plus sign. Click on it to open the sharing settings. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to control who can access your file. By default, the file may be set to restricted, meaning only specific people you add can open it. If you want to make access easier, click on the drop-down menu and change the setting to anyone with the link. This option allows people with the link to view or, if you choose, edit the document without needing special permission. Next, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can add more than one recipient if needed. As you type, suggestions may appear based on your previous contacts, which can save you time. Before sending, double-check the email addresses to ensure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click Send. The recipients will receive an email notification with a link to the file and the permissions you've set. They can then access the Excel sheet directly through Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Excel sheet. This method is fast, convenient, and perfect for smooth collaboration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.